Every quarter, Mack Molding participates in a housekeeping inspection, with the springtime one being the most important. Everyone in each of the Mack Molding plants gets in on the fun. Employees helped out by dusting cabinets and desks, cleaning windows and stairwells, and even mopping and sweeping floors. Employees also made sure that their own personal work areas were cleaned up too. Not an inch was left untouched. Mack takes pride in the cleanliness of their facilities, and they know that their employees do as well. Housekeeping allows employees the time to clean up their work area in more detail than they may do on a regular basis. It also allows different employees to work together to complete a task. This time is spent working on something that will improve the company's environment and helps to show the importance of a mess-free space. Housekeeping allows Mack to continue as a leading contract manufacturer and plastic molder. Without the help of the employees during these past few days, and during other cleaning times, Mack would not be able to continue to work the way that it does. Mack appreciates everything that was done during these last few days. After completing their housekeeping, employees were able to enjoy pizza, as well as see the difference they made by sitting in the outdoor area with the nice new flowers planted this year during the springtime cleaning.